Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang adding and subtracting integers. So sa pag-add ng subtract ng integers, basically kailangan natin matutunan or ma-master ang rules of multiplication and signs. So dito, we have negative times negative, it equals to positive. Pag positive times negative, mag-equal siya always na negative. Kahit magkaiba pa sila ng lugar, kahit negative times positive, it will be always negative in number. Pero pag positive times positive, it will become positive. So adding and subtracting integers are just these numbers that you see every day. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So ngayon, mag-example problem ako dito. What is 3 plus 5? So basic lang to. This is basic math. So 5 plus 3 is 5, 6. So we got 5, 6, 6, 7, and 8. You just gotta add them. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Common sense na rin siya. Second example, we have 4 plus 3. So what is 4 plus 3? You just gotta add. So 4, mag-add lang tayo ng 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So paano naman kapag, let's say, 8 plus negative 5? So basically, ang gagawin natin dyan is distribute the positive sign. So positive times negative. So, sa nakikita nyo dito is positive times negative is equals to negative. So, 8 positive times negative is equals to negative. So, papalitan lang natin yung sign. Magiging negative 5. So, para siyang 8 minus 5. So, therefore, it is equals to 3. So, ganun lang ka-basic mag-add. So, another example. 7 plus negative 2. So again, i-distribute ka lang yung positive sign sa negative sign. And positive times negative is negative. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Another example. Bigay pa tayo ng mga example. Basta ang kailangan nyo lang gawin guys is sauluhin tong rules of multiplications, signs, and basic na yan. So para masolo nyo yan, you need dozen of practice. Negative 6 plus 4. So sa mga high school students, di nila alam pinagkaiba ng 4 minus 6 since negative 6 plus 4. Basically, they are the same. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila is hindi nilalagyan ng positive to 4. Though always naman may positive itong 4, hindi lang talaga nilalagay. That's the rule of math. So kung gusto nyo, lagay nyo pa rin. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2 kasi mas malaki yung negative. So hindi ko lang kung paano explain to, pero masasanay na kanya. Mas malaki itong 6 and siya yung may negative sign. So negative 2. So alam nyo na, there's no difference between those. Negative 7 plus 8. So hanapin nyo muna kung ano mas malaking number. Ang mas malaking number is 8. And meron siyang sign na positive. So 8 plus 7, 8 plus negative 7 is pareho lang siya ng 8 minus 7. Binaliktad lang yan, may positive yan. Pwede mo nang baliktad na lahat. So what? They are all the same. So what if naman kapag negative 7 plus negative 5? So ano magiging sagot dito? So again, first of all na gagawin mo is distribute the positive sign. So positive times negative is equals to negative. So meron tayong kapihin lang natin itong negative 7. Positive times negative is negative is negative. So, there you go. So, ganyan. Kapag may nakita kayong dalawang negative sign, a-add nyo lang siya. So, 7 and 5. Pag pinagad nyo is 12. And dalawang negative sign, para lang siyang ganito. Plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. And then nakikita nyo sign is positive. Therefore, positive siya. Ang nakita nyo sign dito is dalawang negative. Therefore, negative siya. Negative 12. Ang pangit. So, negative 12. Delete natin yan. Okay, so gawa pa tayo ng mga example. Damihan pa natin. So, negative 3 plus negative 4. So, pwede nyo i-pause yung video tapos i-try nyo solve. Try nyo evaluate. So, nagkagawa pa ako ng isa. 5 plus negative 3 plus 6. Try nyo ulit i-solve to. Tapos palayin nyo. Hirap mag-drawing dito. Mouse na kasi gamit ko. Negative 5. So, I think tama na yung 4. Ito pa. Ito mga distinguish natin. Iyan natin. Gawa pa ako ng isa. 8 to. 8 minus 3. 4 minus 9. So, pag nakapag-ipon-ipon ako guys, bibili ako ng pen para mas madali makapagsulat. Hirap mag-drawing. So madami na to. Pwede nyo nang fast forward yung video. Kaso late na sinabi. Okay, first, dito naman tayo sa problem 1. Basta basahin nyo lang yung sauluhin nyo itong rules of multiplication of signs. And mamamaster nyo yung topic na lang. Positive times negative. Negative. So, sulat natin. Kopyahin natin itong 3. Negative 4. So, ngayon, add natin ito 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang nakita nating sign is negative. Therefore, copy lang yan. Bigyan ko na yung box ng answer. So, ngayon, dito rin, it's the same thing. Distribute yung positive sign. Positive times negative is negative. So, negative 3 plus 6. Ngayon, sa algebra, meron tayong tinatawag na PEMDAS. Pero hindi natin siya i-evaluate yan sa next video. So, pag ganun lang siya, for left, right, 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 6. Tapos, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Ilang pangit. Negative 7. So, ngayon, distribute ulit tong sign dito. Positive times negative is negative. Then, pa left to right. So, itong negative 7 plus 4 is same thing ng 4 minus 7. So, para hindi naman ito, sulat natin. 4 minus 7 is 3. Mas malaki yung 7 and siya may negative sign. So, negative 3. So, negative 3 na sagot dito. Minus 5. Ngayon, na-add ulit natin siya. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have a negative sign. Dalawa sila negative sign. Hindi mo i-multiply yan. Pag mo multiply mo lang, it's basically pag nakaganito. Tingnan natin. So, negative 8 ang sagot dito. Ngayon, ito naman, negative times negative. So, malalaman nyo kung kailan yung i-multiply kapag may parenthesis. Negative times negative. So, kita natin dito, negative times negative is positive. So, 6 plus 4. So, 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Which is 10 nga. 10. Ngayon, we have this problem. 8 minus 3. Basic lang yan. 5. So 4 minus 9, same thing lang yun ng 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So mas malaki itong 9 and meron siyang positive sign. So this is 5. Positive 5. No, I mean negative 9 tapos plus 4. Okay, nalito tayo dun guys. So negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. And mas malaki negative 5. So negative 5 ang sagot. 4 minus 9, negative 5. So now we have this. So tanong ko, we will distribute or not? We're not gonna distribute. This is basically 6 plus 3. It's 9. And notice that may dalawang negative sign. It's negative 9. Yun, this is complex one. Negative times negative. It's positive. Copyin mo lang to. Kasi hindi mo naman yan kinalaw. So negative times negative, positive 8. This thing is same thing as 8 minus 4. Kung gusto nyo galawin. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 14 to. And yun. That's basically it. So sa next video, I think multiplication of integers ang aking gagawin. Madali lang yun. So you just need to have tons of practice problems para ma-master nyo itong rules of multiplication side. Huwag nyo memorize ng positive times positive. Ang tips ko lang, mag-solve lang kayo na mag-solve. Ma-master nyo siya. Thanks guys.